Back home with the baby. What's up? You're so needy lately. Why? It's supposed to be rain, not you. Why? What's wrong? Why so needy lately, Sky? Huh? Okay. It's almost bedtime. Is it bedtime? Hey, Google. Play white noise. Oh. What's that sound? No. No. Bedtime. Bedtime. Is it bedtime? Bedtime. 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 Let's go. Let's go, bedtime. Let's go. Bedtime. Yeah? You know what time it is. Bedtime. Bedtime. Let's go. How about you? Bedtime. Bedtime. Let's go. Bedtime. Bedtime. Bingo. Let's go. Bedtime. Let's go. Let's go. Bedtime. I'm back home and Picasso's back at it. Looks like he did the drywall. A lot of electrical that had to be done here, inside, there. So a lot of wiring underneath, and then he had to cover it with the drywall. Now he's doing mudding, and then after mudding, maybe sand, and then mud again, and then texture and sand, and back and forth, and until you're happy with the coat. I'm sure it's not gonna be like perfect, but I think it's perfect for Brian. Look at that. Let me see. Let me get a closer look. The fact that I Instagram you and somebody said, hey, I have somebody who could do it for cheap. Maybe they're questioning your work. What do you think?
They're jealous.
Okay.
Mine has texture built in.
It has texture built in?
My style. Who actually wants smooth? No one.
Oh my God. I consider myself lucky because I get work and a free show. I can't with this guy. Oh my God. You know, he's got real work to do where he actually makes money. And instead he wants to just spend time losing time. Oh my God. A lot of flaws, Brian.
Feathering.
Feathering.
Oh, you don't even need a sand.
You don't need a sand, really. You need lots of sanding. Texture, sand, mud, texture, back and forth, at least 10 times. This guy. Oh my God. Okay. So, it's really hot. I landed in Ontario Airport and it was like super hot, and it's gonna get worse. And our air conditioner crapped out, and we suspected it's the capacitor. So, opened it up, check it out over here. Look at that. It's this thing right here. So, this is supposed to be 580, and we're gonna check and see if it's 580. If it's not, then we know that this is a problem. We have to replace the capacitor. So here's a little tool to check it out. Turn it on to this, and then grab these two little thingies, and we're gonna test and see if it's 580. One right here and one right here. It's 12. So There you have it. That's the culprit. It's supposed to be 80, but it's 12. What's that?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
5.
that one's 5.
But we're not using the 5 side.
Yeah,
We need
we're
an
using
80 for the
80.
compressor, so.
So this is the problem, and let's get it fixed because the boys are so hot upstairs. Like, I feel so bad for Scooper. His room is the hottest, and I'm pretty sure he sweats. We should turn the air on for him, like the fan. So during this time, it's super hot, and I'm sure everyone's using their air, and this is the common thing that fails. So don't go replace the whole unit. Just go unscrew a few screws and check this out to see if this is the main issue, which is most common. Cheaper. Okay, you want to hire Bao, my friend. He's gonna like say it's everything. Okay, I'm kidding. Anyways, this is it. Okay, how much does it run for?
Capacitors? Like under $50.
So for under $50, or you have to pay a couple thousand for a whole new unit.
Or a service call is a couple $100.
Yeah.
They'll come in there, do it for you, a couple
Yeah, so
$100.
pay me for letting you know that. It's great information. Okay, let's go sleep. I'm tired.